99 Ram 8-liter V10. We're having a no start issue. First thing I'm going to check is the fuel pressure. Fuel pressure test port is right here. Very convenient. So you'll need a fuel pressure gauge with a Schrader valve. And you want to unscrew that cap. Make sure you've got your safety glasses on. Tight, and then we're going to turn the key to the run position. My manual says to run the truck, but obviously I can't do that because we're not starting, so we will just turn the key to the run position and check the pressure. Okay, without the vehicle running, you can do that a couple times because it might not come up to full pressure the first time. You may even have to do it a third time. The first time I did this, it was at 44. I think the manual says 44 to 52 for this vehicle. So I know I've got fuel pressure. I've got to have an issue somewhere else.